The 2025 Pontiac GTO is a bold revival of an iconic muscle car, blending classic design with modern engineering. Its aggressive stance, sculpted hood, and signature split grille give it a commanding presence on the road. LED headlights and taillights enhance visibility, while aerodynamic enhancements contribute to improved performance and efficiency. The muscular body lines and wide fenders reflect its high-performance nature, making it a true head-turner for muscle car enthusiasts. Equipped with an advanced suspension system, the GTO provides a balance between comfort and performance. The adaptive dampers ensure smooth handling on various terrains, while the high-performance springs and shock absorbers reduce body roll during aggressive cornering. The rear independent suspension enhances stability, making the GTO a confident performer both on highways and winding roads. Whether cruising in the city or pushing its limits on the track, the suspension delivers an optimal driving experience. The road grip of the 2025 Pontiac GTO is exceptional, thanks to its performance-oriented tires and all-wheel drive system. The wide, low-profile tires offer superior traction, ensuring stability at high speeds and tight corners. The electronic stability control and traction management system work together to keep the car planted, even in challenging conditions. With a perfectly balanced chassis and precise steering response, the GTO provides an engaging and thrilling ride for drivers who crave excitement. Under the hood, the GTO packs a high-output V8 engine, delivering an impressive amount of horsepower and torque. The advanced turbocharging technology enhances acceleration, propelling the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds. The refined transmission system ensures seamless gear shifts, optimizing performance and fuel efficiency. Whether it's a quick sprint or sustained high-speed cruising, the GTO maintains power and responsiveness, making every drive exhilarating. The interior of the 2025 Pontiac GTO is a fusion of luxury and sportiness, designed to provide maximum comfort and advanced technology. Premium leather seats with contrast stitching offer excellent support, while the driver-focused cockpit enhances convenience and accessibility. The dashboard features a fully digital instrument cluster and a high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system, providing seamless connectivity, navigation, and entertainment options. The ambient lighting system adds a touch of sophistication, creating a stylish and inviting atmosphere inside the cabin. The dashboard layout is intuitive and modern, integrating high-quality materials such as carbon fiber and aluminum accents. The multi-function steering wheel houses various controls, allowing drivers to adjust settings without distraction. The advanced climate control system maintains optimal cabin temperature, ensuring a comfortable ride in all weather conditions. With a blend of traditional muscle car aesthetics and futuristic technology, the GTO's dashboard is both functional and visually appealing. The seat color options include classic black, deep red, and a striking dual-tone combination, catering to different style preferences. The ergonomic design of the seats ensures long-distance comfort, with adjustable lumbar support and heating, cooling features for an enhanced driving experience. The rear seats provide ample space for passengers, making the GTO not just a performance machine but also a practical vehicle for everyday use. The 2025 Pontiac GTO successfully combines power, agility, and luxury, making it a standout choice for muscle car lovers. Its aggressive design, advanced suspension, outstanding road grip, and high-speed capabilities ensure an unforgettable driving experience. The meticulously crafted interior, featuring a modern dashboard and comfortable seating, further enhances its appeal. Whether on the track or the streets, the GTO remains an icon of performance and style.